Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Ta-da!
I'm back again.
He's back. Literally, he's like my personal assistant right now.
I never left.
So today we are going to try to build gingerbread house, but we are going to make this to Louis Vuitton ginger house, and let's see can we make this happen or not. Let's get started. Okay, so the truth, I tried to make this last week. I spent 4 hours, fail. I threw away the whole thing, and I was talking to you. You had a better idea. I thought, well, let's give it a try one more time. So we bought two in case we fail one. So,
well, here's the thing. You tried to paint it the last time with acrylic artist paint. This time, I think it should work a little bit better.
But I used a beauty blender after I painted, and it worked, but only worked 65%. It's not perfect. And if it's not perfect, I don't want it. And our gingerbread house is not made to be eaten. It's for display and social media purpose only.
Just like your house.
Just like my house, social media purpose. So what happened is the last time I tried to put the, what do you call this?
The stencil?
Stencil over it, but there's a lot of rough texture. So
yeah.
It doesn't work out very well.
It's not even.
But I thought maybe this back might work better. We can try that. What is, you're the chef.
Fake chef. I am
Your channel. Tell them what's your channel.
Okay, so I'm Gordon Glamsy. I try to do food related makeup looks and try to teach myself how to cook. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But you know what? I'm incorporated in any way possible that I can. So in theory, again, I'm not a chef, so in theory, in order for this to work, I'm gonna spray the gingerbread with a little bit of very lightly. You don't want it to get soggy. Very lightly so the powdered sugar has something to stick to.
This is your job.
In theory.
It's your job. Do it. Why am I doing this? That's your job.
Do we
I'm
have
gonna get
like
some coffee. Why are you doing that?
I just built it myself. Do we have like some? Do you mind if we put like get your table dirty? Cause
no, that's fine. We can get table dirty.
Okay. I'll try to do my best, but we might want to get like a bowl.
Yeah, I was thinking I'll do that.
Okay, so I'm going to lightly spray the giant cookie.
Oh, do we want to try the smaller one first? Just see what.
Because that's the wall, right?
That's
yeah.
The wall.
Okay.
Maybe we'll try that. I don't know.
Because it's the inside, so they won't really matter. Okay. Okay.
Already fail.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to get the stencil, put it on the cookie. Now we're gonna try to Steve, if this works, if this really works, we're onto something, okay.
If not, delete, fail.
We never even did this. You guys didn't see anything, okay. I'm really hoping it works.
I'm really hoping it works because I want this to work. I was like, after 12 day advent calendar, what else can I do to be very epic? Gingerbread Louis Vuitton house.
So you have to coat it relatively well.
I think this may work.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh! Okay. So this is it by itself.
Wow.
I'm gonna tap off the axis. I might have to flip it a little bit.
Okay.
I'm a chef!
Oh, this worked! Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm really genuine happy.
Distance. It's gonna help adhere it a little bit. What it looks like.
Okay.
Alright there. You want to completely cover it, even if it's like creating little mountains on top. You just want to make sure it's completely saturated.
You don't understand. I literally. I wish I didn't delete the footage. I got so angry. I deleted the whole thing. I was like, forget it. It's not a very smart idea.
just with your, I guess with your technique, it was gonna be longer lasting. This, I still don't know how long it's gonna last because it's powdered sugar, but I mean, for the instant gratification.
All we need for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, TikTok.
Yeah.
That's it.
It may not.
Afterwards, don't care. Okay.
That looks good. Okay, so you're gonna wanna lift it. Gently. Yeah!
Oh my gosh. We're cutting the little paper to cover the window so we can still put the monogram prints all over the front of house. Then we can remove that. Oh, then we can actually decorate it with the real stupid stuff.
Yeah.
And this is edible.
As opposed to acrylic paint. I get what you were trying to do, longevity, but it's gonna be a Louis Vuitton Christmas.
Yeah, I got Louis Vuitton 12-day advent calendar. I'll link the link below. Louis Vuitton tree, Louis Vuitton gingerbread house.
Okay, so we're getting the house covered. Quarantine, the stuff it makes us do.
How does this stay on?
Magic. What the heck? It was so magnetic. What kind of black magic is going on in this household? Look at that. That is so weird. Why?
It's not as
Clean.
but that's because the window, you know.
You got it. It's Gucci. We only got one more shot. Otherwise, we're gonna have to wash the cookie.
Okay. I can't get over how cooking just looks.
Not bad. Yeah.
So one thing that we learned from this Louis Vuitton gingerbread, it's not so much the whole thing. You just need to find one part that looks great.
Period.
Then we're good.
Originally, he didn't want to even build the whole house. He said he wanted to just do half. So that means no wall, no other side of the roof.
Just my Christmas tree, only half. Social media, I just see half.
She scared me. I was like, what did
I can put Louis Vuitton blue ribbon around this. Let me go get it.
Okay, let's
Oh,
see.
please.
Let's see.
Ta-da! After what, 3 hours, 4 hours, we finally finished our Louis Vuitton gingerbread house. What do you think?
I'm exhausted.
Thank you, Andrew. She do most of the work, but this is a brilliant idea. If you guys want to see more video like this, let me know.
True story gingerbread house with Chanel. Let's go.
We can do Louis, Chanel.
It's a whole neighborhood.
Whole neighborhood. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for watching. It was so much fun. Follow our social media. I'll link his social media below. You can take a look. And happy holiday. You guys stay safe, okay? Love you all. Bye.
Bye.